Welcome to our next video. Here we will be adding the products. Adding the products to the system follows the same procedure. Very simple. In fact, extremely simple. What you have to do is you have to click on the products. In this case, we have 0 products. We click on the products. Then we can add the product categories. So we click on new category. Here it takes you to the back end directly because this is something you do it maybe once or maybe in the future when new product categories have been added. So for example, the first one could be large format printing. Okay, then we give it a description. So it could be that we might have let me check what I've written here. We have the product description, we have large format, so it could be that we have let me check. Okay, so this is a note that I wrote. Okay, print is still active. If we have image, we can add image to it. So let's see if we have image, I can add image to it. It's loading, it takes a little while to load because my machine has so many things on it. So let me check my downloads. I believe I have a picture there. Okay, so let me check large if I have, okay. So you can add as many product categories as you want. So as we are adding them, you come to the website now, you see that we have large format printing. And when I go to the dashboard also, it tells me that one product category has been added. When I click on it, I'll be able to see that product category. So I can add as many product categories as I want. When after adding, I can even click on edit to be able to edit it. So let me quickly add the other ones I've written. We have DTF printing. Okay, in that case, let me see if I also have DTF pictures there. DTF. Okay, so I have DTF here. I see. Now I've added 2. So when you come to the home page, we have 2 categories. Maybe you can have digital printing as another one. You can add as many product categories as it fits. Let me check if I have that one also. I can get a picture. So depending on the various product categories that the company offers, digital. Okay, it's still loading. But then it basically the number of products or the categories of products that the company offers. Let me check again with the downloads. Okay, so we have the digital. Okay, so you have the digital one. Then I can click on save. It's now saved, so you have to be okay. Under each category, we can add as many products that relate to that particular category. So here, when I come back to my dashboard, in this case, when I come back to my dashboard, okay, I'll be able to see the various categories. So I can go to, let's say, the digital printing as product category. I can now add the product to that product category. So I can click on new Then I can select the configuration. In this case, you can even send me the product categories as well as the various products under the category. So for example, maybe I have black and white, A4 black and white. Yeah. Then I'll give you the description. The minimum order that somebody can buy, maybe have 10 or 20. Is it in pieces, pages, maybe in this case for page. Then I can choose an image. Okay, then see. In this case, I've added one product which is under the digital printing category. So when I come here and I refresh, I'll see that now with the digital printing, I have one category under. Since we don't have pictures, that's why this is showing. So let me go and update and check if I could get a picture. If I could get a picture, A4. Okay, no this. Okay, let me use the same digital one because I'm not sure I have A4 picture. Okay, then I save. So when I come here, I'll be able to see that the A4 picture is there. So when somebody wants to buy, that person as the client will get to the client, they'll be able to configure and buy and make the payment here. So you can add as many product categories, then under the various product categories also you'll be able to add the various products. So in this case, when you come here under the digital printing, we have the products here, we have this product. Then you can set the prices. You can set the prices for the various branches. So in this case, I can set it and say that this product, the Kumasi branch, the page, one page is, let's say 0.5, which is 50 pesos for Kumasi. Then yeah, so when I come to all the products, I can see that this is the Kumasi price. I can even click on to add the price for Medina. In that case, it will be page. It could be 0.4 based on your actual price. Then I can set. So when I come to the home page, only one product has been added, but there are 3 products. We have also set the price. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see that the digital product, sorry, the digital print, you have one product. You can click on it, takes you to the digital product. So as members are making the payment, clients are making the payment, to be able to see everything. So here we just add them once. Maybe in future, it's only when the prices changes. Okay, so when the prices changes, you can simply edit the price to be able to see. Okay, so here then you update the price. Okay, hopefully it's easy. So the next one is to be adding the inventories. So the inventories, will be adding the inventories in the next video. See you. Bye.